Welcome to the channel. Inside this box is a new camera cage by SmallRig for the Canon M50 camera. Alright, nice Ziploc packaging. Inside the Ziploc is a little bubble wrap, and there is the cage. Alright, let's talk a little bit more about this after the intro. Down in the dirt. Alright, let's get started here. I bought this Canon M50 to take YouTube videos. As you can see, I don't do a whole lot with electronics on the channel. My stuff is mainly lawn and garden and snow throwers. But I bought this camera because I like the lightweight. I like how good of pictures it takes. I like the fold out screen and all the things that make it a good vlogging camera. Two things that I don't like about it. Number one is my hands are getting older. I have a little arthritis in them, so hanging on to this small grip is not the easiest thing to do. Secondly, and probably the biggest thing is that this Canon does use quite a few batteries if you're filming for a long time, so you have to change the batteries out periodically. I pretty much use the standard Arca Swiss on all of my equipment. That way I can swap it around very easily from a tripod to a monopod to stationary. The problem that I don't like about the M50 is when I go to change out the battery, I have to take the plate off to be able to get to the battery, and also to take out the card. So hopefully this will cure it. Let's take a look and see. First thing I need to do is take off the Arca plate, and we'll put this rig in. I'll get a screwdriver. And I snug them up a little, not too much. I don't want to bust my camera. So there it is mounted. Let's check the first problem that I had with the Arca Swiss plates. Well, I'll be darned. Easy access, pretty simple. Battery goes in and out. And it's easy to latch back in again. Now let's take a look at the handle. Excuse me. Basically it makes the handle about twice the size of the handle that is on the Canon. So now it feels good. Let's take a look at some of the other features on here. The HDMI port is easy to get at. The wireless port button is easy to get at. Everything is nice and simple on the back side, all open. This is an Arca Swiss plate here built right into the machine. It also has a NATO rail over here if you want it, and a cold shoe mount, and I don't remember what this mount is here too, but it's also a standard mount. I think I could, looks like it's about the right size. I might even be able to put a rosette on there if I wanted to. Okay, now microphone, quick access. I use the Rode mics. So we'll put that on a minute. Nice and simple so far. And I also use the aperture, the M9. Let's see how that fits on here. Yeah, that's going to fit there okay. If I want it to, I can slide this plate over a little bit to make it fit. That'll slide right on there nicely. Or I can put that up on top if I want. I also have a handle ordered for it. Now that I see that I like it, I'll just put the regular $19 SmallRig handle on it. Make it nice and easy to carry around if I want to. Oh, I know. There's one more thing you want to see. How is this? Folds right around. Real simple. Looks like I can take this off. Real simple. Camera plates, camera lenses. Let's push the button, turn this off, put camera lens on. And there you are, ready to go. Well, I can wholeheartedly recommend this SmallRig. They don't have it available on Amazon yet. It's still available only to order off of the SmallRig site. It took about 2 weeks, a little bit over 2 weeks, to get it from their warehouses overseas to my home here in northern Wisconsin. So be prepared for a little bit of wait. Other than that, I see there's a slot here where I can take and put these camera straps over here. So all in all, I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later. My USB. Let's drop the camera. Hey, that's what it's for, isn't it? Down in the dirt. Real bad.